In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Deepseek API for free. Whether you are a developer or someone interested in utilizing this powerful tool, we'll walk through the steps to get you up and running in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to head over to OpenRouter AI. This is where you'll be able to access Deepseek. Begin by searching for Deepseek within the OpenRouter interface. It's a straightforward process. Just enter the keyword in the search bar and press enter. This will bring up a list of options related to Deepseek. Once the results appear, look for Deepseek R1 Free and click on it. It's important to select the free version, as that's what we'll be focusing on in this tutorial. This step will direct you to a page where you'll find a wealth of information about the Deepseek API and how you can start using it right away. Next up, locate the Quick Start link and click on it. The Quick Start Guide is a great resource offering step-by-step instructions on how to get the API up and running efficiently. It's designed to help you begin with the least amount of hassle, making this process accessible even if you're new to APIs. Now, let's move on to creating your API key, which is essential for accessing Deepseek services. Begin by clicking on the link that says Create API Key. It's typically found within the Quick Start section or related API management area. Once you've clicked on it, you'll need to proceed to the next screen by clicking Create API Key again. This step confirms your intention to generate a new key, which will be unique to your account and necessary for authentication purposes. After that, you'll have the option to give your new API key a name. While this step is not required, it can be helpful for identifying your keys later, especially if you plan to have multiple keys for different projects. You may also notice other fields available, but for an unlimited key, it's perfectly fine to leave them blank. It simplifies the process and speeds things up so you can focus more on using the API rather than setting it up. Once you're ready, click on Create. This finalizes the creation of your API key. Upon completion, you'll receive a generated key. It's crucial to copy this key and store it securely. This key is your access pass to the Deepseek API, and like any valuable piece of information, it must be kept safe to prevent unauthorized access or usage. By following these steps, you'll be set to explore all that Deepseek offers, leveraging its capabilities to suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring with Deepseek API.